Once upon a breeze, in a world painted with sunshine and clouds, there lived a shining white dove named Rumi. His feathers sparkled like pearls, and when he flew, it felt like the sky itself was smiling. Rumi didn't just fly. He danced with the winds, chased the giggling clouds, and sang with joy as he soared beyond the treetops. Children below would cheer, "Look, it's Rumi, the prince of the sky." But then, the winds fell silent. One day, Rumi found a mobile phone, just a small screen, but it held 1,000 colors, 1,000 levels, and endless flashing lights. He tapped, he played, he forgot the skies. No more flying, no more singing. The rooftops whispered his name. The trees swayed, calling out, "Rumi, where are you?" But he didn't listen. Days passed. Rumi's wings stayed folded. His smile faded. His heart grew heavy, like a bird in a cage, too small to move. The doctor shook his head gently. Rumi is not sick in the body. He is trapped in the mind. Too many games, too little life. He is forgetting how to fly. That night, under a blanket of stars, a gentle dove named Noor arrived. With eyes like moonlight, she said softly, "Rumi, you were born to fly, not to tap on screens. You were the prince of the sky. Why are you living like a prisoner?" She stretched out her wing. "Come with me," she whispered. "The sky hasn't forgotten you." Rumi took her wing. They soared together, up, up, through the hush of midnight winds. The stars winked, the clouds parted, and Rumi's heart beat with the sound he had missed: freedom. He looked around breathless. This is the real world. This is the real game. Each sunrise a new level, each